in a prolonged strategy, we have engaged one of the things we engaged Tammana Bhatia before, and that was done through a committee with Rajnikant as the chairman, and he has analyzed various actors. They were all engaged with certain other products. They endorsed certain other products, which I named, just like with 3-4 names. Like Rashmika Mandana, then we've taken all these things, what we are hearing in social media. So Rashmika Mandana, she has endorsed some other product, then Sheila has endorsed some other product, then Pooja Hegde has endorsed some other product, and Kiera Advani has also some other product, and even if you take Deepika Padukone has also endorsed some other her own brand, I believe. So taking it all into the account and based this one finance department took over all the yardsticks why we have chosen her. So she has 2.8 million following. 2.8 million, that's 28 crores.
2.8 crores.
2.8 crores. 2.8 crores. So keeping all this angle and to make it a pan-India appeal, because Mysore sandal, we are not only selling it in Karnataka. Had it been Karnataka, we'd have engaged here in Karnataka. This one is 18% of the Mysore sandal soap is consumed in Karnataka. It is 18%. Rest 82% is all other southern states. So now to take it to the national level and the international level, this is the first phase. Tomorrow a day may come that we have to, God bless us, we may go to the international market and we could have to have a Hollywood actress also tomorrow. So this is the part of a business, this is a trade, this is nothing related to Kannada or this one. This is a business, this is a trade.